Okay, guys, I will explain you how to have a beautiful footwork. Just we'll use a little bit piece of paper. Just cut it in half. So I'll do two squares, then put it down like this, and put your foot in the middle of the square, not on the edge, on the middle, on the middle. Okay, so now every time you move, you want to have that paper always stay on the floor. So how you do it? You apply a little bit pressure, and as you move your feet, make sure the papers stay always on the floor. Never, never leave. Your papers always stay on the floor, two papers. So go. Start first doing simple rumble walks, forward and back. So first going forward and back. So you see papers on the floor, you're going forward, rumble walks, slow. Then you do a series of backward rumble walks. Slow. Papers stay on the floor. Then you're going side walks, other side. Then you go into basic rumble walks, papers always on the floor. Then you try to go back and front with the rocking action when you change the weight. Yeah, constantly keep the feet on the floor. Then move to more fast dance like cha-cha. Cha, cha, cha. And make sure when you lead your foot is always on the very high toe, but papers always stay. 2, 3, cha, 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 and 2 and 3, and still try to produce a lot of body action, but be aware of the foot pressure to the floor so the papers stay always there. Then you can move into more difficult dances like samba. 1 and 2. And as you know, the feet always should stay in contact with the floor. So by using these papers, it gives you really a very good feel. If you see you lost your paper, start it over again. Very good. Okay. So put papers on your feet on the middle of the papers. And now whatever you do, try to keep those papers always on the floor as you move. So the feet pressure is always there. Pressing, pressing. Feet always touching the floor with the pressure. Without applying pressure, your papers will never stay down. And then go through your choreographies and make sure the papers stay there. And make sure that the paper, see, connecting the toe connects with the paper and connecting with the floor. And as you know, in ballroom and Latin dance, we always have that toe, ball, heel leading position. Toe, ball, heel. And now go through your routine as much as you can like that with those papers. Boom. Boom. Try not to lose it. Try side walks. Try backward walks. Try some forward walks. Try some pivoting actions. Papers always there.